This is Adam. He's always Mr. Prepared. And this is Brad. He's always, well, not so prepared. Severe storms can turn deadly with little to no warning, so both Adam and Brad here should have a prepared emergency kit available just in case. Looks like Adam is quite prepared and off to a great start with a good supply of clean drinking water. And Brad, well, he's stealing water from his dog.
Stop it! You can drink from the toilet.
Very good, Adam. You look to have at least a 3-day supply of canned food and a manual can opener. Brad, Uber Eats and Grubhub aren't going to help you here.
Come on, Signal. Daddy needs a pizza.
Once again, Adam is quite prepared with a hand-crank radio to listen for any emergency updates. And Brad should be drug tested, because that is a record player.
Come on, Pink Floyd, don't let me down, man. Ah!
Another must-have item is a flashlight with extra batteries. And Adam is clearly our Mr. Prepared. And Brad is reliving his community college days with the classic aerosol flamethrower.
Ooh, fire!
A first aid kit is always a prepared emergency kit must-have. And Adam here is clearly on top of it. Brad, old shop rags and crutches you found at the local thrift store probably aren't going to be helpful in this situation. At all.
Little help here.
So when disaster strikes, don't be a Brad. Be prepared. For more information, including a detailed checklist of what should be in your emergency kit, visit knowwhattodo.com or garlandtx.gov/OEM to sign up for alerts and to learn more about emergency preparedness.
These are totally useful. Come on!